When might an extended warranty be worth it? Here are a few scenarios. 1. For pre-owned or certified pre-owned cars. If the original warranty has expired or is about to expire, and you plan to keep the car for 5 to 7 years, an OEM extended warranty could be worth it. 2. For European cars. These brands often have high repair costs due to proprietary diagnostic software, tools, and imported parts. Additionally, these brands typically have higher labor costs per hour. 3. For high mileage or severe driving conditions. If you drive a lot, say 20 to 30,000 kilometers per year, especially in the city with stop-and-go traffic, sudden braking, and frequent idling, you may benefit from an extended warranty. Similarly, if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions, such as extreme heat or cold, or frequently tow, an extended warranty can save you from costly repairs. 4. For hybrid or PHEV cars. Extended warranties can be useful for hybrid-specific components. However, it's important to understand that hybrid or PHEV extended warranties generally do not cover battery degradation within acceptable ranges. A reduction in high-voltage battery capacity over time is a natural characteristic of the technology and does not constitute a defect. 5. When premium roadside assistance is included. Some OEM extended warranties, particularly on certified pre-owned cars, include premium roadside assistance for the duration of the coverage. 6. Cost of the warranty. If the cost of the extended warranty is reasonable relative to potential repair costs and has zero deductible, it could be a good investment. Extended warranties typically have high dealer margins, so they are generally negotiable. You could get 10 to 20% off the list price. 7. Your comfort with risk. If you don't want to deal with unexpected repair bills and prefer the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're covered for major repairs, an extended warranty might be worth it. This could be the case for a student who will be studying for the next 4 to 6 years and can afford a small monthly amount for an extended warranty added to their car finance, but can't afford a large lump sum for car repairs. Check the fine print. Not all extended warranties are the same, so make sure you understand what's actually covered and what's not. Exclusions can make a big difference in the value of the warranty. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.